This story starts out like most stories. It starts out with two friends on a quest to find the best burger in town. Not just any burger will make our top 10, but many burgers will try and surely fail. Which brings us to the Dick's Drive-In, a new location in Kent. We're getting one of the cheeseburgers, one deluxe, one supreme, medium drink, and fries for a little more than $10. A lot of the obstacles I had to face along the way, 6 days of work, limited budget, and no gas money.